Hello, I am Lisa Young and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is another journal that I found in a box of journals, and I don't have a date on. I should date these things. I don't know what date I did this. I do know that this one is another one that ended up in Art Journal magazine. And this is the Foundations journal. We make a bunch of background papers and then we make a journal at the end. The journal is just kind of a bonus. The papers were what the class was about because we make some fun papers. But anyways, let's flip through this thing. Lots of little typed words. That's kind of fun. And little sketches. Oh, these are cute. Cute pages, little teeny ones. I love these foundation journals. I forgot how much I like them because they're really easy to do and you make fun papers in the process of doing the class. And so I really like it. I forgot about it. Forgot about these. Does this go? There we go. Kind of fun. Vintage papers. Some of this stuff sticks to one another. That's why it's like, I question myself if it's really, or if I'm going to tear it apart sometimes, but that's okay. We got it. But super cute, I think. I need to go back and make one of these because it's so easy to make. I need to go back and make one of these. They're super cute. And I love how I done this. It's crazy how whenever you create and then you put it away and you forget all about it. You just forget. Anyways, super cute. I hope you enjoyed this.